Feeling completely overwhelmed about buying your first home? You're not alone. The process seems complicated, but it doesn't have to be. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step blueprint to go from renter to homeowner in 2026. Let's start the journey. Welcome to Homebuyer University, your classroom for making smart real estate decisions. Today, we're breaking down the 7 essential steps every first-time homebuyer needs to know to succeed. Let's dive into step 1. Step number 1 is your financial checkup. Before you even look at a single house online, you need to know where you stand. First, your credit score. Lenders use this to determine your reliability. A score above 620 is good, but a score over 740 will get you the best interest rates. Next, your down payment. While 20% is the myth, many loans, like an FHA loan, require as little as 3.5% down. Finally, know your budget. A great rule of thumb is the 28-36 rule. Your total housing costs shouldn't exceed 28% of your gross monthly income, and all your debt combined shouldn't exceed 36%. Get this right, and everything else gets easier. Step 2. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This is the single most powerful step you can take. A pre-qualification is just a rough estimate. But a pre-approval means a lender has actually verified your income, assets, and credit. It gives you a rock-solid budget so you know exactly how much house you can afford, and it shows sellers that you are a serious qualified buyer. In a competitive market, a pre-approval letter can be the key to getting your offer accepted. Step 3 is assembling your dream team. You are not in this alone. First, you need a great real estate agent who understands the local market and your specific needs. They are your guide and advocate. Second, you have your mortgage lender who will secure your financing. And third, you'll need a trusted home inspector for later in the process. A strong team will navigate the complexities for you and protect your interests every step of the way. Now for the fun part, step 4, the house hunt. With your pre-approval in hand, you can start searching for homes in your price range. Attend open houses, schedule private showings with your agent, and be prepared to look at several properties. Don't just look at the paint and countertops. Pay attention to the bones of the house. The roof, the foundation, and the electrical systems. Knowing your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves will help you narrow down your search and find the perfect fit. Step 5 is making an offer. Once you've found the home, your agent will help you draft a formal offer. This includes the price you're willing to pay, but also important contingencies. These are conditions that must be met for the sale to go through, such as a satisfactory home inspection and your ability to secure the loan. A strong, well-written offer protects you and signals to the seller that you are serious. Congratulations, your offer was accepted. You are now under contract. This is step 6. A crucial waiting period that usually lasts 30 to 45 days. During this time, you'll conduct the home inspection to check for any hidden issues. Your lender will order an appraisal to ensure the home is worth the price you're paying. This phase is all about due diligence, to make sure your investment is a sound one. Finally, step 7. Closing day. This is the finish line. You'll meet with your agent and a closing attorney to sign the final mountain of paperwork. You will pay your closing costs and down payment, and in return, you will receive the legal title to the property and, most importantly, the keys to your new home. It's an official, exciting moment that makes all the hard work worth it. And that is the complete journey from renter to homeowner. From financial prep to closing day, you now have the blueprint for success. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button to join us here at Homebuyer University. In our upcoming videos, we'll do deep dives into each of these steps, giving you the expert knowledge you need to succeed. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the first step of your home buying journey.